Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how to take this electrical box and transform it from this to this. So as you can see, these electrical boxes are used for many enclosed outdoor or indoor things. You unscrew the top screws all the way, the bottom was just a little bit, and it has a kind of service position where you pull this like that and it stands there. So for this job we are going to use some terminals for the cables to get everything tidy, and glands, which is very important so that no humidity or bugs or dust, as you can see it is very filthy inside, gets in. So I have disconnected the power, of course, and let's remove our plugs. One is here and one here. Oh, this is a little bit stuck. Don't know if you can see, it's full in there. Let's remove the PCB to get a bit more space. Okay, just one screw, that's always good. Oh, look at that. Spider webs. This definitely needs some cleaning. Let's take our screw. Use a brush and quickly that looks better. Now let's do the same here as well. Ugh. Whatever that is, it doesn't come out very easily. So I think I will have to remove the whole of it. I'm going to remove it so I can look, all this crap inside there. So we want to take all this out. Clean this from the spider webs and everything. You see the ants under there are going wild. Look how much crap is in there. Wow. So now what we want to do. So in order to put our glands there, we will have to unscrew and remove the cables, of course, also in order to put the barrel terminals there. So let's go. This is the power supply. And you can see this comes from there. It is this one. Will the small one fit? I don't think so. No, it's definitely, oh, it will. Not bad at all. Let's check our hole. We need it a bit bigger. So there we go. We can take as much as we need. Now clean these. I will leave the earth as is. And what we need to do is free up a bit more, just like that. Get the correct, is it the white one? No. Let's try the green one. And there we go. Don't worry about that, it should be okay. Next one is this one, or should we connect one by one so we don't forget? Yeah, that's a good idea. And screw it a bit more. Flashes when the door operates, so it is this cable back here. So first of all, So there we go. 1, 2, cut excess. And screw them back. But first I think we need to make this hole a bit bigger. As we can see, not the best place there for that. Should I break it a bit? So there we go. 1, 2. Doesn't be any better. Let's try again. Yes, that's much better. So there we go. So guys, I'm going to continue tomorrow. I have to go upstairs, so let's finish it tomorrow. So here we are back with the electrical box. It is the next day for me, but few seconds for you. I have done just a couple. Now I had to connect it yesterday in order to operate the door. So let's start to finish it. So first of all, safety first. There, so we are sure. There we go. So I will try to hold it there. Again, we want to unscrew the bottom ones just a bit to get it in that service position, and so that our capacitors don't fall off. But I think we should remove it all the way, as it will give much more space. So we have to do this one, this one. So here is the finished product with all the glands down there. Everything is tidy, nothing is touching. I'm very happy with this. I was looking forward for a long time to doing this. Let's test it and close it. So here it is. Power is switched on. Let's give it a test. It works just fine. This is a double gate. And close it. Excellent. Now let's put the cover back on and we are done with it. So that was all for today. Please let me know in the comments if you like using those glands or the ferrules, the terminals, as those makes everything look much more tidy and of course sealed. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you found this video interesting and consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.